Hi, this is Bob with New Age Industrial. Today, we're going to talk about ladder carts. Ladder carts are used in any business. Trust me, for narrow aisle picking, up in mezzanines, you name it. First of all, I want you to know this is what we start with, the aluminum, primary aluminum. Everything here is built to the right strength and temperature that you need it to make it the strongest. We want you to have access to all that. You're getting the best product out there with multiple welds. It's made to last. I want to point out the steps, they're bolted in and welded in place. So you've got 3 steps. We can go up to 5 steps if you need it. We do have a heavy-duty spring-loaded step on the bottom. That will push that right back up. If you notice on the bottom here, we do have angled feet going down, so they're flush. When that goes down, it's flat on there. It's not at an angle. So when it does angle down, it does go straight down. It's got a cap over the end of it, so that way it does not cut through, and that will keep your cane caps lasting a lot longer. I can give it to you with lips down or lips up so you can contain the product. You can see the casters on here. These are 2-inch wide wheels. They're built to last. Now I'm going to go over to this one over here. This is a little 2-step ladder cart. This is a custom one. They wanted the soft handles, so we wrapped those. They still have the same, bottom foot that goes straight down, the same steps. This is just a 2-step. Again, they could go up to 5. They wanted a bar here. But I want you to be aware of some of the things we do. Here's one with 0 turn on it. You can spin that because of that center wheel. It's very easy to do that. We offer all kinds of different customized options. We got them with a fold-up ladder. We have them with the tray that pull out in them. We have every option from, like I said, 1 step up to 5-step. Very long ones. We've got them wider. We've got them with bins. We've got one picking and fulfillment cart, ladder cart that's got an invoice holder, an RFID gun holder, everything on it, a cardboard holder with bins, you name it. We can do it. We have them with conveyors on it, with rollers. So when you're ready to do something at New Age Industrial, call me. It's newageindustrial.com. We can make you a ladder cart that you will never forget, that will last a lifetime. Thank you for your time.